Welcome to VMA Verticals Private Limited. Hi, I'm Santosh here. Happy New Year to all. Here I'm today to highlight some few problems which you regularly face and you don't have a proper solution for that. Here VMA is there to get your proper solutions. So let's begin with the problem list. Now you read about the data backup problem. So this data backup of the systems you have in your organization is you don't know when it was backed up, and if it was backed up, how the full backup was done or no, you don't have the idea about that. So get the full reports and to get the status of the backup, when it was done and all the schedules, we have a solution for the same. So do contact us for the backup problems. Thank you. Yeah, of course. The mail problems. There are a few times what happens is the mail gets lost, mail gets deleted. For that, we have a backup solution where we can have the tracking as well as the backup of the same can be kept, where each individual in your organization sending a mail can be backed up and you can track it down whenever you require. So for that we have a solution. So please do contact us, contact VMA Verticals, and we'll get you the solution for the same. And these were the two problems which I wanted to highlight, and we have the best solution for the same. So please do contact VMA Verticals Private Limited and get your pieces fixed. Thank you for watching this video.